So the juicy part is finally here. So what's up, guys? This is part 9 of the introduction to Julia Genie series, and here we'll be covering a few things. Let's look at them. So it's introduction to Genie part 9. So here we'll be looking at activating Genie environment, which I know we've been coding in something maybe you didn't know even existed, and then finally installing searchlight database and database adapters. So guys, please like this video, also subscribe and share to your friends if you love. So let's open the editor, and since in this video we won't be covering a lot of things to do with coding, it will be just installing some few things and configuring what we need so that we can start working with databases. And please don't skip any part of this video, because it might be not unless you know how to activate environments and side things, then you can't start. So first you need to start Julia in the current working directory. As of mine, because I'm using an editor, then always the terminal will always be opened in the current working directory. That's why I never navigate. So that's why I just open Julia, and I know it's over there. Then start the package manager by typing the square bracket, this one, just facing this side the way it is. And then to activate the environment, if you see, we have a file called here manifest.toml and again project.oml. So these are our package management files. So these are the dependencies, and here are the dependencies again. So we have an environment which I don't know if you know as of now, but it's called to do. It's called the name that you created when you started the application. Mine is called to do, but you don't need, just if you want to know it, then go to project.toml and just see the name. Here I will type activate, and then activate, then dot. This will activate the current environment we are in, because Julia has two environments whenever you start it. The current one, if you're using on Genie, then it has the current one and the global one, which is for all the applications. So we want the one that we are working on, so we just do that, and you see activating environment, and then you see it's this for the toml, the project.toml. Again, if you know or you named something different, then you can just activate it dot to do. Activate to do. You can always give the name of the environment you want. So in this case, you see I activated to do, or you can do it this way. So this will activate your environment. So another thing you need to do is, while still over here, you see it shows you previously when you started it was active was 1.5, but after activating it, then the to do was activated. So these are the things you need to install. You need to install searchlight, which is the databasing system in Julia. So it's like a library which has everything you need when working with the databases. Just hit enter and it will start installing wherever it needs. So it might take some time, so I'll crop some part of this video out. So as you can see, the installation has been done. It added plus the dependencies that it needed. So searchlight has been added. So Julia again, Genie again has support for several databases: SQLite, MySQL, and Postgres. So whenever you are starting to develop, then you need to specify the adapter you want to use. So in this case will be, since we are in local development, then I need a database that will not give me a lot of job of creating things. So I'll be using SQLite because it's just a simple file. I don't need to set up a whole server, so I'll be using SQLite. So to install the adapter for the SQLite, then just do this: add searchlight SQLite. If you need MySQL, then I'll be leaving the link in the description so that you can see how you can add them. And again, I'll be leaving the link in the description so that you can be adding or installing this. So please go check. So hit enter, and also give it some time to install everything it needs. So after it has been finished installing, then that is everything you'll need. So in the next video we'll be seeing how we can now start creating databases in Genie and managing other things. So goodbye, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video or the whole series. So goodbye.